Hello there. Here we are to continue solving past papers of grade 8 mathematics examination. For today, the first one, it says when negative 24 in big bracket, negative 18 divided by negative 2 over 3, close the big bracket, the whole over negative 18 times negative 2 over 3. So what to do this kind of fraction? How to simplify? First, we need to remove the bracket. The upper bracket, as you see, it says negative 18 divided by negative 2 over 3. First of all, when you divide or multiply two negatives, it's going to be positive, so we can ignore the negative this time. This is equal to negative 18 times, flip the second bracket, which will be negative 3 over 2. Negative 2 over 3 will be taken as the reciprocal. Therefore, this denominator is 1, and let's change the color to simplify. By 2 1 is by 2 9, and 9 times 3 it will be 27. Okay, the upper bracket only will be 27. And when you go to the down one, this one is for the upper bracket, and for the down one, negative 18, not negative 8, it says negative 18 times negative 2 over 3. Again here the negative will be cancelled out, so when you simplify, let's change the color. By 3 1, this by 3 6, and 6 times 2 will be 12. It's positive, negative times negative. So therefore now we do have negative 24 times the upper bracket, the one which is in the bracket is 27, we got it already. The whole over the denominator, we have got 12. Then again we can simplify here because it's multiplication, it's okay. So by 12 1, this by 12 2, and 2 times 27 will be 54. But the negative, don't forget it, there is one negative here, so the answer is found in C. The next question, again here it says xy equal to xy plus 5x plus 3y plus 15 is equal to 24, and x plus 3 is given to you 6, and y plus 5, this must be 5 actually, this must be 5, yeah, not y plus y. We are asked to find here y plus 5. Okay, let's write it correctly. What is asked here, it must be clear for us. Y plus 5, that's what we are looking for. So what we can do here now, let's try to group the two together and see common, and the two together and observe the common. What's common here? X. Take out the x as a common, so what left? Y plus 5 left. Plus, for these two, what's common is 3. Then what left? Y plus 5, because 15 means 3 times 5, so the 3 taken out means y and 5 left here. This is equal to 24 given. And again observe here what's common for these two. It's y plus 5 is common, take it out, y plus 5, the bracket, when you take out, what left here? X left plus 3 left here, is equal to 24. We need y plus 5, but we are given x plus 3. X plus 3 is given to you 6. So y plus 5 times 6 is equal to 24. Then divide both sides by 6. When you divide by 6, this 6 cut out, and what left? Y plus 5 left to the left side. To the right side, 24 divided by 6 will be just 4. That's what we are looking for. The answer will be A. By the way, sometimes you can shift the 3 here, and you can get the x value and substitute, and you can get the y value. That's also possible way. But the main objective is how to apply factorization process. Okay, the next one, simplification of radical square root of 2 over 3 times square root of 27 over 8. This is what we are looking for. We are asked this one. Remember, radical A times radical B, it is the same as radical AB. We can put in one radical in case of multiplication. Even in cube root, the same. Cube root of A times cube root of B, it can be written cube root of A times B. If they have the same index, cube root or square root to square root, we can put in one radical. So this one we can write it square root of 2 over 3 times 27 over 8. We can write it together in one radical because both radical. Then by 2 1, this by 2 4, and by 3 1, this by 3 9. So what left? 9 over 4 left in the radical. 9 over 4 from the radical will be 3 over 2, because 9 from the square root will be, it is 3, and 4 from the square root will be 2. So 3 over 2 is the same as 1.5, because in the choice there are answers with decimal. The next one, the next question, it says the circumference of a circle is given to you 28 pi, and what is the area? First of all, circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r. Okay, this is given to you 28 pi. From this we can get the r. How do we get? You can divide by 2 pi both sides. When you divide by 2 pi both sides, you can cut this one. So the radius will be here, pi by pi cut, and 28 divided by 2 will be 14. We have got the radius. And then we are asked the area. The area of a circle is, it is pi r square. So we got already the radius. So pi times 14 square. 14 square is 196 when you square it. So 196 pi centimeter square will be the area of the circle. The next question, again, simplest form, simply adding. So we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper first. So 2 will multiply the denominator, then add the numerator. 2 times 4, 8, plus 1, 9 over 4, plus the same manner here. 6 times 3 will be 18, 18 plus 1 will be 19. 19 over 3, but negative, don't forget it. Common mistake of student here, what I observed from my experience, they are taking like negative 6 times 3, they will say, and negative 18 plus 1, negative 17, they are saying, no, wrong. The negative, keep it as it is. By the way, positive times negative, negative. So that, like I said before, 6 times 3, 18, plus 1, 19 over 3. Then you don't have any choice, simply crisscross, you can multiply. So what we can do here, crisscross, 9 times 3 will be 27, minus 4 times 19 will be, 76. The whole over 4 times 3 will be 12. Now the difference will be 49, negative 49. Negative 49 over 12. We cannot simplify. Unfortunately, there is no answer in the choice, because 49 is a multiple of 7 and 12 is 4 times 3 or 6 times 2, we can see, but there is no 7 in 12. So we cannot find the answer in the choice. It's okay, but this is a way how to do. Okay, the next one, absolute value. The absolute value of x minus 6 minus 3 is equal to 2. To solve absolute value, first the absolute value has to be alone. Shift the number 3 here. So absolute value of x minus 6 is equal to, when you shift it, it will be 5 added. Then x minus 6 is equal to 5, one outcome, or the other outcome is x minus 6 is equal to negative 5. When you do, the 6 will be shifted here and x value is equal to 11, or the other one, x is equal to, again, will be shifted, which is 1. So the answer is found in A. Next question, it is inequality. Again, we need to remove the bracket first. So 7 minus the 5 will multiply each of them here. 5 times 1, it's 5. And negative times negative will be plus 10x. Greater or equal to 4 times x is 4x, minus 4 times 5 will be 20. Then if there are like terms, collect. These two are like terms. So 2 plus 10x is greater or equal to 4x minus 20. And bring the 4x here and shift the 2 to the other side. So 10x minus 4x is greater or equal to negative 20 minus 2. Here the difference will be 6x. 6x is greater or equal to negative 22. Then divide by 6 both sides. Therefore, x is greater or equal to, when you simplify, this one is over 6. Let's write it properly, over 6. When you simplify, it will be negative 11 over 3. Negative 11 over 3 means approximately negative 3.6. Negative 3.6 nearly. So, but we are asking integers. Which integers are greater than negative 3.6? In number line, if 0 here, negative 1 there, negative 2 there, the negative 3 will come here, and negative 4 somewhere around here. Negative 3.6 means it's less than negative 3. It's between negative 4 and negative 3. So we are talking about integers. We don't have to consider the decimal. Which integer comes after negative 3 over 6? Because greater than, it says greater than or equal to. So above it's negative 3. It should start from negative 3. Because as I said before, once let me draw it, the number line here. to make it clear, if this is our number line, consider negative 3 is here and negative 4 here. Negative 3.6 is somewhere around here, negative 3.6. So which integer comes, which is greater than negative 3.6? It's negative 3. Then what? Negative 2. It continues. So the answer will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 goes. So where it is, the answer is found in C. The next question, Adel borrows 8,000 for 2 years. So the original money is, we can take it as principal, which is 8,000, and he borrowed for 2 years, means the time is 2, and simple interest at a rate of 20%. That means the rate is also given to you 20%. Then what is the total amount that he must repay? That means we need the amount. But remember, amount is equal to the principal plus the interest, the original money plus the interest. So let's calculate the interest. Interest is equal to PRT. So the interest is equal to, the principal is 8,000 times the rate is 20 over 100 times the time is 2. So cut 1 0 here, again cut 1 0 here. 2 times 2 will be 4, 4 times 8 will be 32, and we have 2 zeros. 3,200 will be the interest for 2 years, 20%. Therefore, the amount will be now the 8,000 plus the interest is 3,200. When you add it, it's going to be 0 0 again 2 11. 11,200 will be the amount that he has to repay. The next question, a table marked at 15,000 is available for 14,400. What is the discount? Okay, this was the original price, but this time the price is tagged already 14,400. So how much it was, or how many percent is the discount? To know the discount percentage, what to do? Take the difference, change over original, like percentage increment and percentage decrement formula, change over original times 100% will do, which is the change means take the difference between them. 15,000 minus 14,400 will be 600. The difference, you can make the minus 600 over 15,000 times 100%. We need to do it. Therefore, we'll try to simplify. You can cut 2 zeros here with 2 0 and 1 0 from here, and then by 3 2, this one by 3 5, 2 and by 5 1, this by 5 2, and 2 times 2 will be just 4% left. So the answer is found in B. The way how to simplify, okay, you need to take time and practice. The next question, it says the mean of 22, 27, K, 17 is 23. This is the mean. This means the mean. The mean is already given to you. How many? 23. The datas are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 datas we do have. So what the value of K? Okay, so what to do? 22 plus 27 plus K plus 17. The whole over, how many data we added? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 data divided by 4. Mean means, okay, total sum divided by total number of elements or total number of datas. Total data we do have is 4, and the mean value is already given to you, 23. So that we can multiply crisscross here. So 1 times this sum will be the same. So we can add this sum. So when you add it, the numbers 22 plus 27 plus 17 will give you 66 plus K there, and 4 times 23 will be 22. Then shift the 66 to the other side. So the K value will be 92 minus 66, which will be 26. Yeah, the difference will be 26. So the answer is found in D. Next question, again it is inequality greater or equal to, it says as you see here, it says 3 over 2x minus 1 over 4 is greater or equal to 1 over 6x plus 2 over 3. So first we need to find the LCM. The LCM of the denominators, 2, 4, 6, 3. 2, 4, 6 and 3. For this number the LCM is 12 for all of them. So we need to multiply by 12 each of them. 3 over 2x will be multiplied with 12 minus 1 over 4 also will be multiplied by 12. Okay, let's remove this thing to use the space. Is greater or equal to 1 over 6x also will be multiplied with 12 plus 2 over 3 also multiplied by 12. To remove the bracket, I mean the fraction, then it will be easier. By 2 1, this by 2 6, and 6 times 3, you know, it will be 18x, minus by 4 1, this by 4 3, and 3 times 1 will be 3, greater or equal to by 6 1 by 6 2, and 2 times 6 will be 2x, plus by 3 1, this by 3 4, and 4 times 2 will be 8. Then reshuffle and collect, bring this one here. 18x minus 2x is greater or equal to, the 3 will go there, and 8 plus 3. Here the difference is 16x is greater or equal to 11. Therefore, divide by 16 both sides. So x is greater or equal to 11 over 16. So the answer is found in A. Okay. So for today, these are some of the questions that I prepared. I will continue solving. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe.